Top 35 most popular programming languages. Bash, used in shell scripting on Linux, macOS. Solidity, used in Ethereum smart contract development. PL, SQL, used in Oracle databases. ABAP, used in SAP business applications. Transact SQL, used in SQL Server stored procedures. GAMS, used in mathematical optimization. Julia, used in high-performance scientific computing. VBScript, used in legacy web, office automation. Haskell, used in functional programming, academic projects. Visual FoxPro, used in legacy database apps. SAS, used in statistical analysis, enterprise data. Classic VB, used in legacy desktop apps. Perl, used in text processing, legacy systems. Lisp, used in metaprogramming. Prolog, used in logic programming, AI. Dart, used in Flutter mobile, web apps. Scala, used in JVM apps, data pipelines. Delphi, Object Pascal, used in legacy Windows apps. Lua, used in game scripting, Roblox, World of Warcraft. Kotlin, used in Android apps, Java interop, server-side. PowerShell, used in Windows scripting and automation. Ruby, used in web apps with Rails scripting. PHP, used in server-side web, CMS, blogs, e-commerce. MATLAB, used in numerical analysis, research, engineering. Golang, used in cloud-native, microservices, APIS, concurrency. TypeScript, used in Typed.js for scalable front-end, back-end apps. Objective-C, used in legacy iOS, macOS codebases. Swift, used in iOS, macOS app development. Rust, used in memory-safe systems, embedded, WebAssembly. C#, used in Windows, .NET backends, Unity game dev, enterprise apps. JavaScript, used in web interactivity, front-end and Node.js backend. R, used in statistical analysis and data visualization. C++, used in systems programming, game engines, high-performance apps. Java, used in enterprise backend, Android apps, big data, Hadoop, Spark, Python, general purpose, web, data science, ML, automation, scripting.